Friends, welcome to Code Sutra. In this video, I'll be solving LeetCode problem number 1502. Can make an arithmetic progression from the sequence. In this problem, we are given an array and we have to find whether these elements in the array can form an arithmetic progression. So first of all, what's an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between each element, each consecutive element is same. For example, let's take this example. What is the difference between the second element and the first element? It's 3, right? So if you look along any elements, the difference between the element and the previous elements is same. That is 3 in this case. So this forms an AP. Let's look at the second example. Does this form an AP? No, right? Because the difference between this and this is 3, while the difference between 8 and 4 is actually 4. So we have 3 and 4. So this doesn't form an AP. Let's take it another example. Does this form an AP? Yes, it forms an arithmetic progression, but the difference here is -2. That is, it is constantly decreasing. One quick observation that we can draw here, if we completely reverse this array, it will still form an arithmetic progression, right? Yes. So let us have that observation. And let's go to the next example. Does this form an arithmetic progression? Yes, this is also, but the difference is just 0 here. Does this form an arithmetic progression? No, this is not an arithmetic progression because the difference is not the same here. But what are we given in this problem? In this problem, we are given, can we rearrange the elements to form an arithmetic progression? So can we rearrange this? Yes, we can definitely rearrange this to form arithmetic progression. So if we look here, if we sort the array in the ascending order and then do the same operation, that is checking the difference between an element and its previous element, then we can know whether it forms an arithmetic progression or not. So this is a simple problem. What we do is first we sort the array and we find out the difference. That is the difference between the first element and the 0th element. Then what do? We check for every element. If the element and the previous element's difference is equal to the actual difference that we found out. If it is not, then we will return false. Finally, if every element matches, we will return true. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.